Birge Held was founded in 2008, and in 2017, Upgrades by Birge Held was launched. Since then, our experienced team of seasoned professionals has completed over 30 projects across the United States, totaling in over 17,000 unit upgrades across our portfolio. Birge Held is one of the only construction management firms who offer an impressive one-day resident-in-place apartment renovation program. Come along as we take a behind-the-scenes look of a recent renovation at the Oaks of Eagle Creek. Each renovation doesn't start in the apartment. It starts at our corporate headquarters in Indianapolis, Indiana. Here, our teams dream up ideas to turn outdated spaces into comfortable homes. Once our plans are complete, we work alongside the property teams. Our goal is to ensure a seamless renovation for the residents. To accomplish this, we coordinate a town hall and create marketing materials so residents can prepare for the upcoming changes to their apartment. Renovations take anywhere from 1 to 3 days to complete and take place between the hours of 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. At the end of each workday, residents are able to move comfortably through their apartment, and at the end of the renovation, residents enjoy luxury upgrades. Previous upgrades have included new stainless steel appliances, wood-style flooring, and upgraded kitchen and bathroom hardware. To learn more about our other projects, visit our website at birgeheld.com today.